Hello everyone, my name is Shiva Sharma. Today I am talking about why is Python so popular. So, Python is a powerful high-level programming language that can be used for web development, operating systems, AI, machine learning, numerical computing, and mobile applications. The recent surge in the use of Python is largely due to its simple syntax and ease of use, which makes it relatively easy to learn even by beginners and non-programmers. I'm going to show you how to install Python. Open any browser and click on the link www.python.org and then click on this link download Python 3.10.0 and then install the Python properly in your system. After that, you need to install a text editor that name is Atom. So I have already installed in my system. I'm going to show you how to install the Atom. Open any browser, type Atom, and then click on the link download. This is a latest version of Atom. Here, click this link, and the Atom will be downloaded in your system properly. So, now it's time to run your first program, and here I already typed a print hello world program in this Atom text editor for you. And now we are going to save this program in Python. C drive, Python. Then you type this name is shiva.py. You can save any name. Uh, so py is an extension. Save and then run this program on command prompt. Type cd c colon slash backslash python python enter, then name of program which has been you saved, and here the result will come out on your screen. So congratulations, you have run your program successfully. And yeah, it is very simple language. I'm telling you, this is the first program. I will teach you each and every steps for Python in next video. So thanks for watching my video and keep learning. Happy coding. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.